Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Firefox browser on Windows 11 PC. Firefox known as Mozilla Firefox. So, I am going to show you how to install Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11 PC. For this, we need to start Microsoft Store to download and installing Firefox browser. So I click on Microsoft Store, then it take few seconds to start. It is starting. So after few seconds, I will type here on search bar. So after few seconds, I will type Firefox. Then hit enter. So we see that this is Mozilla Firefox. So I click on it. And then there are some information are loading. So this is the Mozilla Firefox, some screenshots. So I click on just get button. Then installing is started. It take few minutes to install on Windows 11. My installation is completed. Now I click on open button. Then it takes few seconds to launch on Windows 11 PC. This is the first look of Mozilla Firefox. So I click on skip this step, and start browsing. Now type on address bar google.com and hit enter. Yes, this is working. So that was my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video.